everyone, it's your girl Leila. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys like the new, sort of new-ish setup. I got a ring light, so I totally feel like an official YouTuber right now because I finally, after like 7 years, have a ring light. So it's been a long time coming, and I can finally film in my makeup room, which is so exciting because when I got this house built, I wanted my own like makeup room, my own space to film, but it's just always been an issue in here with lighting and stuff. So finally I have a ring light. I have it turned all the way dim right now, but it's super bright. So yeah, it just looks really, really nice. I'm just so excited about this. Anyways, I do want to say one thing before we get started. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I upload every Sunday and Wednesday. So this video is super, super exciting. It's going to be an unboxing on a bag that I recently purchased on eBay. Let me just address something really quickly first. If you are gonna hate on this video, if you don't like unboxing videos, if you don't like eBay unboxing videos, the list goes on. If you don't like these types of videos, please exit right now. I'm giving you the opportunity. Click the exit button. I have other videos on my channel if you want to check them out. I have vlogs. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I just have no room for haters. I know a lot of people are going to be like, eBay is not a good place to go shopping. eBay is not a reliable source to get bags, blah blah blah, this is fake. Okay, just keep your opinions to yourself. I have purchased from this seller before, so I'm really, really excited. And I have learned my lesson from my first video that I posted on here that was an unboxing and it turned out to be a fake bag. I have learned many lessons since then, so I've grown so much. I've grown so much as a person since then, and I've learned to really just research my sellers, do my homework on the bags that I want to purchase, and I've wanted this bag since 2016, so it's been a long time coming. I'm very excited. I finally get to open this. So it just came to me today. Well, not today. It came 2 days ago, but I was only able to pick it up today because it was at the post office. So I just hit myself in the face. That's how excited I am. I'm gonna go ahead and open this right now. So I'm scared of doing this with a knife or scissors or something because I always feel like I'm gonna cut the bag. So I'm doing this by hand. I'm trying to stay in the frame, like, so the ring light doesn't show in the mirror behind me. So if that's an issue for you. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Have you guys ever seen me this excited unboxing something? Like, you know it's a purse when I'm this freaking out about it. There's a dust bag. Okay, you guys, I purchased from a seller that sells a lot of vintage items, and a lot of their stuff doesn't have dust bags, and on the description of this bag it didn't specify whether it came with a dust bag or not, so I assumed it didn't, but it does. So this is my first Balenciaga, you guys. This is so exciting. I used to not like Balenciagas, so this is the dust bag that it came in. I have to smell like everything. It smells like storage. Nothing too crazy. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh, this thing. Okay, it's a lot smaller than I thought it would be. Like a lot smaller, because I always thought Balenciagas were just like huge. But oh my gosh. Ugh. I'm just so excited to just stuff this with things and just like, I don't know. I'm just excited to see what can fit in here and just carry it around. It's such a pretty color. The only thing that I could see, the only thing that I can see that I knew that was gonna happen with this bag when I got it, because it was in the description, was there's a little bit of wear just like right here on the front pocket, and on the handles there's a little bit of wear. But I did get this for a really good price. I can't believe that the original bag retails for like almost 2 grand, if not 2 grand. I don't know how much it is Canadian. I know when I was searching for this bag before on the like American Nordstrom website. I think it was 1,695 or something like that. So in Canadian it would definitely be like $2,000. So for such a small bag, I can't believe this retails for $2,000. I just can't. Like, that's not even how much I paid for it. I paid half. So I paid $1,000 for this, $1,000 Canadian. It was like $800 American. I envy you guys. Like, honestly, I wish I was paid in American dollars, but I lived in Canada. Like, if only, right? So yeah, this is the bag. Like I said, it's a lot smaller than I was expecting it to be, but I mean, I think it's actually a really good size for me, to be honest with you. So this is going to be my spring and summer bag, and it's just so pretty. Like, it does definitely have some signs of wear, but you know, that's okay. I saved like a crap ton of money on this, like, so I can't even complain. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the bag, see what it looks like inside. Ooh. Okay, so this is the shoulder strap that it came with. Oh, okay, wait. This is the shoulder strap that it came with. It's just, it matches the bag. I'm sure that this is gonna look different in like daytime lighting. I'm pretty sure it's gonna look a little bit different. So this is the shoulder strap. It has just the like silver hardware that matches the bag, of course. Obviously all Balenciagas, I'm pretty sure all Balenciagas come with a mirror. So that's what that looks like. Very nice. It doesn't look used really, just has a little bit of dust on it. Nothing too, you know, drastic. It smells like leather. Like, for sure it smells like leather. Anyways, the inside of the bag looks like this. It's just a black canvas material. It looks pretty damn clean, actually. And they put everything in this bag. So this is the care instructions. This is the care instructions, and this is just the original tag. And it was purchased in 2011. So it's definitely a few years old, but I just really like this color. It is lambskin, if you were wondering. That's why it has these like signs of wear on it, which lambskin is really like notorious for not lasting as long, you know, but this actually is in better condition than I was expecting it to be. So yeah, the inside has two pockets here at the back, like for your phone or something. My phone's not gonna fit in there, my phone's huge. And it has like one zippered compartment at the back with the Balenciaga tag. And the zipper pull has like the matching pink leather. If you guys were wondering about Balenciagas and like date codes, all that good stuff, it's actually at the back of the Balenciaga. So it has the Balenciaga logo. Sometimes it does have a silver nameplate on it. Sometimes it doesn't, depending on the style of the bag. This one in particular does not have a silver nameplate. And on the inside here, I don't know if my camera's going to focus on that. I can't really see because I'm kind of blinded by these lights right now. But there is like the serial number here at the back. Made in Italy. And yeah. This is the bag. I'm super excited to be carrying this around. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Like, I can't. I've always been like not a huge fan of Balenciagas, but I always thought that if I found the right color, I would actually like to rock a Balenciaga. So I saw Paulina Bunny 97 here on YouTube with this bag in one of her like outfit of the days back like 2 years ago, and I fell in love with it since then. Most recently I saw Gigi Gorgeous with this bag on Instagram, so ever since then I was just kind of like, I need to hunt down this bag, and like I'm so happy that I found it. You guys will be seeing me in an Instagram post really soon with this or like an outfit of the day or something, or maybe like in my vlogs. I don't know, but you're gonna be seeing this bag. I'm just like super excited right now. Excited about my ring light. It's been a horrible week, you guys. It's been terrible. I'm going to be talking about it in my vlog, but this is just like the best part of the week so far. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon. Bye, everyone.
Cause she hold me down every time I hit up. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up. She made me beg for it till she get